Saturday, November the 13th, 2021, I-75 South, exit 296, White Road, or Cassville, maybe White Road. It is 40 degrees. It is about 7:05. And I wasn't going to start this video this soon, but as you can see, there are trucks. And there are trucks on the exit stopped. But there are many, whatever you want to say, fewer trucks on the road than normal. I haven't had a truck pass me. I haven't had to pass a truck. I don't have one pushing on me. I don't know where they are, but this is very unusual. I say you can see them, they're here, but not in the number that I'm used to this time of day on a Saturday coming down I-75. A lot of development going on. There's a big, large, huge place cleared out over there to the right. We'll have to check that out and see what all that is, what's going on there. Coming up on the Adairsville exit, next three exits. This is going to be exit 293, which I think will be 411, US 411. It is a huge trickle in that has been cleared out there. Yeah, Chatsworth White, exit 1. That can't be right. Oh, 1 mile. There you go. Yeah, the Tellus Science Museum is up here. You get off to the right, and it's right there on the left. And to the right will take you into Cartersville. To the left will take you all the way up into Tennessee. US 411 is a very nice drive. I really like it going north and coming back south from Tennessee. Today I am planning on, well, I've already changed my plan, I guess, I'm not sure. I was planning on getting US Highway 41 inside the perimeter in Fulton County from north to south. And as I do not have Langford Parkway, Georgia 166, I want to get Langford Parkway. I think that would be a good one. And I do not have I-85 south of the split with 75 going down by the airport. So I want to get those three. But I do have Highway 41 through Atlanta. It would be back from the spring, I think, or maybe last winter. And I may get it again, I'm not sure. Well, I'll figure that out though. Canton is 22 miles, Atlanta 47. The Canton exit is not but a couple of miles, and you turn left and go about 20 miles. And that is Georgia 20. Georgia 20, run all the way through Rome over into Alabama. It changes, I forgot what it changed to when it gets to Alabama. But that's if you go west. If you go east, it'll take you all the way across, in a big arc across the Atlanta metro area, and then turn south, go down through Conyers, and go on down. I'm not sure where all it goes. I need to find out so I can say, but I don't remember. I used to know, but I don't travel that in very often anymore. Coming up on exit 290. Like I encourage audience participation. A lot of you'll find a lot of what I say is incorrect, not intentionally, but it is what it is. And so I don't mind being corrected at all. If you like the videos, let me know. If you don't like them, let me know. Just keep in mind, I'm not a professional. I do not script anything. I just ride down the road with an intended destination. It can change at any time. I'm just a guy riding down the road getting video, running my yap. And hopefully people will enjoy the videos. People that haven't been in the area in 20 or 30 years can see what it looks like now. 20 or 30 years from now, people can look back and say, oh, look at what it looked like then. So hopefully people will enjoy it, but I know a lot of people do not. They'll let me know it. Okay, this is 3 trucks we're passing, the first ones we passed. And we have come on, we got on at Adairsville, and we have come all the way down to Cartersville. But also, automobile traffic seems to be lighter than normal. Look back on one of the other 75 videos and see, do a comparison. I said that a lot of what I do is to get a comparison where people can see now and later. On my driving videos, that's exactly what my main intent is. This is the first time I've been even passed in this pickup truck with a trailer. Yes, as surprising as it is to me, some of my most watched videos are driving the interstates. And I cannot tell whether this video is going to be any good or not. This may be an audio video. How about that? Audio video. You see the fog coming off of Lake Altoona. So we're about halfway, we're a little past halfway through the fall. This weekend and next 3 or 4 days is supposed to be absolutely great weather, great fall weather. I hope we get some good videos today and tomorrow. Crossing over the Etowah River. Etowah comes out of the east. Where does it come? It comes down from, I think, somewhere up around Dahlonega, somewhere in that area. It comes down and flows west into Lake Altoona. When it leaves Lake Altoona, it flows west or northwest into Rome, where it and the Oostanala form the Coosa. I think it's the Coosa. This exits Altoona Mountain Road, Red Top Mountain, exit 285. patch of mistletoe around that tree. I'll be turning this video off when we get past exit 283. And we'll try to pick up another video. I'll probably do the US 41 inside the perimeter, then double back and catch Langford Parkway. Then double back and catch 85 south, maybe out about 10 miles, maybe 15, past 285. And then come back, probably go I-20 east, and then cut up through Watkinsville over to Arcade. Arcade is my final destination for the day. The Love's truck stop here is 2 or 3 years old, 3 or 4. Time gets by, it could be 5. But this exit used to be nothing. That's an Emerson exit. And now I love the Love's truck stops, but that one is so busy. The last 2 times I've been in there, I think it's the worst Love's truck stop that I have been in. I hate to say that, because it may be simply a product of business, but if they've got that much business, they need to hire more help. Keep that place cleaner. I hesitate to say it's poorly run, because it is a very busy one. Georgia State Patrol is sitting over there. No, that was Emerson. That was Emerson Police. But that is a very busy truck stop. I know it'd be difficult to keep it nice and clean, but they need to do a better job one way or another. Some geese flying over there. And we will turn this video off and start another one further down. Well, I decided to pick this video back up until we get off, maybe at inside 285. As you can see, traffic has picked up, but the truck traffic still hasn't increased that much. It's 7:32 now. It's now 46 degrees, so the temperature has gone up a good bit as we have come further south. Now, this traffic looks to be about normal for this time of a Saturday morning, but except for trucks. The trucks are still, I'll say we're not void of trucks, but they're not near as many as there usually are coming down 75 or coming up 75. I usually have those big tractor trailer trucks passing me, regularly. And I still have not had one tractor trailer pass me. This is the outer loop, 120. Is that nice? Ooh, look at that. But that thing will scoop through the water. Everybody a single cab, but still nobody pulling a trailer. That second truck there is the largest thing that's passed me so far this morning. And we'll be turning into the sun, so I'm going to turn this off.